Hello everyone, it's Zoe again with the last of the 4 new colors that came in that's going to be part of our French Oak series. This one is SPC033X Baybreeze. The X represents the extreme 30 mil wear layer that is commercial rated. This is a true neutral gray. It is a cool gray. I can even pick maybe just the ever so subtle hint of a blue, which gives it the cool effect. But also we have an ever so subtle hint of kind of like a khaki brown and some ivory. So this is a warm and cool, perfectly blended gray color floor. I've been looking at a lot of gray floors. This one really hits that neutral gray zone. You could work this with any color gray paint, and that is very popular these days. A lot of gray accents, gray color choices. Now over here to the right, again, this is just a box of the product racked out, 30 square feet we're looking at. And I'm near the window, got pretty strong sunlight right now. And it is gonna affect the colors in the video, and just know that I'm looking at the screen and it's much darker in my screen and on the video than in real life. Please order some samples. We really want you to be sure that this will be the perfect floor for you. And I'm just kind of zoning in on some character details. Again, this French Oak series was intended for more of the folks that want something a little more streamlined, a little more fluid through the floor without much character. And over here to the left, I am under a studio photography light, and that is why some of the tones are changing. Please do remember that lighting is so important, and that if you're remodeling or building, to be sure to pick full spectrum light sources to get the most beauty out of your floor and out of your decor.
Appreciate it.
Again, this is the SPC033X Extreme Baybreeze SuperCore, exclusive at WeShipFloors.com. No one else has this product, folks. You will get the best price. Please call us up. Let us know if you want some samples, and they are free. These and some other SuperCore colors would be great in a package in your mailbox in 2 days. So please do reach out to us. We're glad to help. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.